Okay, I want to demonstrate various sorting that you can accomplish in Power BI. The very first thing I need to do is connect to my data. So I'll go get my data. I'm using Excel for this example, although it doesn't matter. I've connected to that data for sorting. I'll connect to this sheet. And I'll just go ahead and load the data. Okay. So by default, Power BI does sorting for us. I'll go ahead and pick this column chart here. Go ahead and hit my data. And I want to look at years of experience. I'll put that in the axis. I'll go ahead and count the respondent ID. Okay, and I'll just make this a little bit bigger. So one of the things that I want to point out is, like, right now it's sorting by the respondent ID count. That's controlled up here by this sort option. So I'll hit these three little dots. I'll go to sort the axis. And maybe I want to sort it by how many years of experience. So I'll go ahead and click that. And so now it's 10 years, 1, less, 5, and blank. Still doesn't make any sense. Even if I go sort it ascending, it really should be less than 1 year, 1 to 5 years, 5 to 10, and then 10 or more. So the way I can control that is by adding in a sort table. Let me show you. So I'll go to transform data. And there's several different ways that I can accomplish getting this table in. I'm going to actually add it as a data set, but just for you to understand, I could choose enter data and create all of the table and then just add it in this way. But I think it's easier to go grab it from my spreadsheet. So I'll go do a new source, grab my Excel workbook, choose my sort table. Choose my sort order. Notice I have the same answers, except for this did not answer. I'll have to do some data cleaning there. And then I have the sort order I need it in. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And if I were to go sort this, then I could see less than 1 year, 1 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 or more, and did not answer. All right, let me go to my data for pivot real quick. And let me address those nulls. So here we go. I'm going to right click that null and replace the value with did not answer. Gotta check that case because it is case sensitive. Okay, let me go correct that. I'm just gonna do it right here in the mashup in the M. Just FYI, you can do that. Okay. Go take a look at it. Good to go. Okay, now I need to introduce my sort order into the data. Again, this is just one way to go about this. So I'll go ahead and do a merge query. I'll just merge it within here. I'll choose my sort order. Okay, I'll say how many years. I'll match it to years of experience. Got a perfect match, which I should. I'll click OK. And then I'll add just my sort order. I don't need that original prefix. All right, and then I don't need this to show, so I'm going to tell it don't load. Perfect. Close and apply. Okay, here's where the magic happens. So let me go ahead and close this filter in this visual, expand this so you can see this. So I'm going to choose this how many years of experience. Okay, and I'm going to go confirm that right now I am sorting by how many years of experience. sorting in ascending, which I may or may not keep, but this is important. Okay. So I've got this field selected, and up top, I'm in column tools. I'll choose sort by column, and I'm going to tell it to use my sort order. And then immediately I can see less than 1 year, 1 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 years or more, and did not answer, which I may or may not keep the did not answer, but you get the idea. So in order to control the sort, I choose the field that I'm wanting to sort by. I go to the column tools, and then I go sort by the sort order. Okay, so that's custom sorting to sort.